Welcome, today you're part of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you the Face ID test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the Face ID works here so fast. We can just unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the Face ID. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the Face ID face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.